Welcome to Tech Tutor Hub. Today we are diving into the essential parts that make up a computer. That's a quick look at the basic parts of a computer. Stick around as we burn table each of the basic. The basic parts of a digital computer are one input unit, devices like keyboards, mouse, scanner, etc. They allow users to input data and instructions sent into the computer. Second part is memory unit or storage. Memory unit stores data, instructions, and results temporarily or permanently. There are two main types of memory in a computer system. One primary memory like RAM and ROM, and secondary memory like hard disks, SSDs, USB, etc. 3. Central Processing Unit or CPU. It is called the brain or the brain of the computer. It has two main components. One, arithmetic and logic unit ALU. It performs calculations and logical operations. And second is control unit or CU. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. Output unit. Devices like monitors, printers, speakers, etc. are called the output unit of a computer. They display or output the processed data, or which is also called results. High communication system are optional in modern computers. It enables data transfer between computers. Uh, Example, through the internet or LAN connection, etc. Thanks for watching the video. If you learned anything new from this video, please like and subscribe the channel. Our next topic will be all different types of computer.